Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.